Hello my family, welcome back again to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to prepare mushroom stew and matoke. So these are the things we are going to use. We have bananas, we have mushrooms, we have some veggies, the tomatoes, garlic, green pepper, onion and carrot. So I'll begin with applying some oil onto my hands. I'm going to wash the matoke and put in the saucepan. I'm now going to cover with another leaf. So I'm going to add 2 cups of water. So meanwhile, as our food is cooking, I'm going to be cutting our veggies. Now our matoke is ready. I'm going to mash. So I'm going to slightly fry the mushrooms. So I'm going to put the mushroom aside. Then I'll add onions and garlic. Then I'll add the carrots and tomatoes. So I'll leave it to cook for 5 minutes, then our mushroom stew will be ready. So our mushroom stew is ready. I'm now going to serve our delicious food. Thank you very much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, hit on the subscribing button. See you in my next video.